If you want to know how to make your drawings go from this to this in just a couple of days, then make sure to keep watching this video where I draw for Inktober for every single day to improve my art. If you don't know what Inktober is a challenge for all artists around the world, beginner or experienced, where we post either a picture or a video of an ink drawing for every day of Inktober. Now, you can either do it randomly or you can follow the same list I've been following for years. I also have a playlist on my channel where I did Inktober for 2021, 2022 and 2023. So if you're still trying to improve your art like I did, you can also follow lots of tutorials on my channel. Here we are, day 26 of Inktober, the Carnotaurus. So I think I did this drawing in about an hour, maybe a little less than an hour. It's a pretty big drawing, to be honest. It basically was about to cover my whole page, but to make sure that it wouldn't take me too much time, I did decide to like draw some I don't even know what they're called, draw some I don't even know, draw it in a panel basically. You're gonna see that, and I made a really big mistake while doing that because, and I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but when I was drawing these lines, I accidentally messed up, and I'm really glad that I could crop this video so that you couldn't see that because that really, that's really bad. But anyways, I'm already starting to add some color, and I just wanted to do something that I hadn't done before because I really like the Tarbosaurus one that I did with just the head and the clouds background with the blue sky. That's why I decided to do it in this Carnotaurus drawing as well. And I thought, why not just make it another red Carnotaurus? So past year I didn't draw this dinosaur, but the year before that I did, and I did actually do a red Carnotaurus. So and plus the Jurassic Park version is also kind of reddish, or orangey kind of colored. So yeah, and I really tried my best on the water, trying to make the reflections as fast as possible, but also making them look a little bit more like reflections. And I must say this drawing is a little more abstract than what I usually do, but I mean, it's a pretty decent drawing. It's a pretty big drawing, and I still didn't take too much time. I really want to challenge all of you to, if you're, for example, somebody that draws a drawing in about an hour, then try to draw the same drawing in 30 minutes. And try drawing it a couple times in 30 minutes. And put that as your timestamp, because you really improve really fast by just doing those, challenging yourself in such a simple way. I really think that you're gonna improve a lot. Of course, it doesn't look as good as the 2-hour version, but I mean, yeah, it's okay.